Hi you guys, I made this soap and honey, she is ready. She ready to go to the club. She ready to go bump. She ready to just do her thing. She ready. Where we going? Y'all ready? Where we going? Let's get into this video so I can show you guys how I made this soap. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Are we ready to work it out? Are we ready to work it out? We making soap. Let's work it out. Hello everybody, I am Natasha and welcome. I am making Flashy Girl here. She is extra, okay? This soap is extra. She extra. She's not tame, she's not dainty, okay? So as you can see, I'm showing you a heart mold. It's made out of melting pour soap. I had a design in mind, but I'm just gonna let you know in advance, my temperature of my batter was too warm, in my opinion, and my soap set up. So the design that I originally had in mind was flop, blop. I had to abandon ship, honey. I had to abandon ship and find a new way because the soap was setting up too quick. So part of my original design was kind of to have like this, I don't know, a kind of like a Queen of Hearts type thing where I had a heart in each corner, one corner to the other corner, and then I was gonna have like this this layered design in the middle. But as you can see how it's kind of got that vanilla pudding kind of consistency. Yeah, my soap started setting up, so I couldn't do the liquid designs that I was looking for. We just gotta regroup, all right? I ain't gonna be crying over that. We regrouping, okay? So I regrouped. Some of y'all gonna be like, you know, it's a bit sloppy. Excuse me, greatness. There's a lot of great minds. They have to go through a little slop, okay? Anyway, don't worry about where I'm coming from. You worry about where I'm going. Okay, we working on the destination, okay? We ain't worrying about how our knees got scuffed. We worrying about how we get to the goal line, right? So let's get to the goal. Anyway, I love when soap can stand on its own. You see how the white, how it just stands on its own against the pink and the purple? I love when soap does that and it doesn't muddy. It just holds its color and it's just like, it looked like it should be a bunch of confusion, but each color is holding its own. I love when soap does that. Love it. So at this point, I'm trying to decide how I'm gonna do the heart, because initially that heart that you see me inputting into the soap was supposed to go to the top. And you're gonna see what I mean when I say, you know, I wanted it to go to the top. But I'm actually kind of glad I didn't put it there because I don't think I would have had the room. So you're just seeing me just winging it and just trying to figure out a way to save the soap, save the design. So what y'all guys doing this February? What you doing for Valentine's Day? What y'all doing? I know some of y'all with certain backgrounds are like, oh, it's a money-making thing, you know. Like where I come from, men think it's a money-making thing. It is, but so go out and get me something. Listen, if you don't have someone to love your pets. You don't know love until you get love from a pet. Let me tell you, that's some unconditional love. And here is the melting pour. These are my soap embeds. Aren't they lovely? So lovely. These are her earrings, okay? She was trying to get her dress together, you know. Now she got her earrings. She wants to put in her little bingle bangle jingle jangle. So I'm putting in these embeds. The embeds by themselves, you guys, is a nice hand soap. I mean, seriously, I scented the embeds also. So the same scent that's in the embeds is the same scent that's in the body of the soap. So this soap smells good. You're going to get a double dose. You're going to get a double dose of wonderful with this soap. But these are her earrings and she's getting ready. So the reason why you see like the top is kind of like swirly and not like flat is because I kind of want there to be something to grip the soap. And if it's too smooth, I was concerned that it wouldn't grip it. Now there's that part on the side that was empty. This is where I wanted to put the small heart embed. But if you can tell, it probably was not gonna work. So I decided to pipe this flower on the side. This is like her corsage, honey. This is like her corsage. You know how sometimes your friends are a little too extra. They put on too much makeup. It's too much perfume. It's too much cologne. It's too much razzle dazzle. That's this corsage here, honey. Girl, bye. Take that corsage off. So here she is, honey. You showed up at your friend's house. She got on her earrings. She got on her extra dress. She got on her crazy corsage. She got everything looked nice on the soap. The little diamond shaped hearts are beautiful. They're glistening. Like, this is an experience, okay? You trying to give somebody a gift? This is the next day, and here we go unveiling the soap loaf. That soap loaf is heavy because she got embeds and all kind of greatness, but look, it looks promising, it looks colorful, it looks exciting. So we gonna get ready to get into this cut of this soap. Are you guys ready? Hold on to your wig caps. Oh boy. Well, thanks for coming out, folks. Thanks for playing. I'm just like, serve me right. I was thoroughly pissed off. You know how long I've been saying I need a soap cutter that is tall enough to account for my embeds? It's all right. Oh, so look in the middle, look in the middle. So we see the two hearts on the counter corners. That's looking nice. It looks like the heart on the bottom is like on fire. You know, she's on fire. Okay, she got a little fire to her. The middle itself, it has a nice little design to it. It actually kind of looks like something. Does it look familiar to you guys? Does it look like an organ? Guys, I promise you, I did not plan this. I did not plan that design in the middle. But look in the middle. What does it remind you of? You still don't know? What about now? You still don't know? What about now? Don't it look like a heart? Yo, I did not plan this, y'all. I'm telling you. It looked like a heart. But look at the tops. Look at the diamond at the top. Oh my gosh, this soap is sassy. She's sassy, okay? She's real sassy. But can I tell you guys a joke? You see how I crushed the corsage on the side? First of all, girl, you needed to take that corsage off because it was too much. It's too extra. Secondly, it looked like an ice cream cone. So while I'm showing you guys how the soap look like, I'm like, what happened to the little flower? Why it look like a little ice cream cone? So I end up making some edits. So if you stick to the end, you'll see the edits that I made to this soap. Then you see those hesitation marks, those lines. I cleaned those up, but I detest those too. And that's because I hesitated when I was cutting the soap, because I was busy crushing the corsage at the top. Colorful and sassy. It is so beautiful. I love how the diamond heart embeds came out because it adds another little element to your bar soap. Like, what? We ain't doing boring over here, okay? This is how she looked before, and honey, this is what she looked like when I took off that corsage. She's still giving, okay? She's beautiful, and she's doing it. Now, you guys, I have some more heart soap videos coming out. Sarah. Make sure you click on this video right here if you want to see creative soap videos to celebrate love. Protect your energy, you guys, and I will see you on the next video.